Hello everyone, let's see how to remove table formatting in Excel but keep the data. So here you can see this data is already converted in table. So first here I'm going to remove table design only. So click on the inside the table and go to the table design tab. And here in table style, click on this drop down arrow and click on the last option, clear table design. Okay. And that's it. You can see the table style here remove. Now I'm going to convert this table into normal range. Same as go to the table design. In tools group here the third option convert to range. Click on it and here the small dialog box is open. Do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Just click on the yes and it's done. Now you can see your table convert into the normal range. So this is a way you can remove table formatting in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.